Hello everyone, it's lesson number 18, HSK1, and we will practice words that we learned on the last lesson. And first, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Dialogue number 1, talking about family. What does your dad do for work? 你爸爸是做什么工作的？你爸爸 your father 是做什么？ He is doing what work, you can say. 是做什么工作的？ What does your dad do for work, you can say. My dad is a doctor. He works at a hospital. 我爸爸是医生。我爸爸是医生。他在医院工作。我爸爸 my father 是 is 是医生 doctor。他在医院工作。He's at the hospital working, or he works at the hospital. 他在医院工作。He works at the hospital. Next one. What about your mom? 你妈妈呢？呢 as you remember, it's for questions. 你妈妈呢? So what about your mother? And that's right. My mom also works at the hospital. 我妈妈也在医院工作。我妈妈 my mother 也 also 也在医院 at the hospital 工作 works. So works at the hospital. Do you have any pets at home? 你家有宠物吗？你家有 home or at home 有there is or have 宠物 it's a hard word for us, but 物 it's some creature. 宠 it's like that you raised, that pamper pet it's like pet. 宠物嘛 it's a pet, so don't need to remember this word for now. Yes, we have a dog and a cat. 有我们有 we have 一只狗 one dog, one small dog 和一只猫 one small cat. There is implied that it's small, a cat, but all cats small. Looking for cat. Dialogue number 2. My cat is missing. 我的猫不见了。我的猫 my cat 不见见 it's to see something. 不见 I can't see it, so no one can see it, so he's missing. 不见了。Le here's for changing, so now no one before he was, now he's missing. Don't worry, let's look together. Where was it? 别担心 别 it's like do not do something. 别 to other people. 担心 it's to worry. 担心 we can say sin, it's something related to heart. And 担 it's let's continue. 别担心 don't worry. 我们一起找 we together 一起 together 一起找 it's to look something for. Oh, you can say search. No, not something for. To look something. No, for. 找 it's to search something. Or look together. 他在哪儿？他在哪儿？他 as we can see, also first tone 他 as in, for example, he, she, it. It's also the same pronunciation, but characters are different. So pay attention to this characters. 他在哪儿 Where was it? 在哪儿 Where? 哪儿 Where? It was under the chair just now. 他刚才在椅子下面。他it or here it refers to cat, so you can say she, he, but it in English you can say it. 刚才 it's just now, few seconds ago. just like 刚才 just a few moments ago. 在椅子下面，椅子chair 下面，在下面 under the chair. So the chair 在椅子下面。Let's go there and take a look. 我们去哪儿？我们去哪儿？not 哪儿？我们去哪儿？ We go there. 我们去哪儿？看看。It's to look, take a look, quick look. So found it. It's under the table. 找到了。它在桌子下面。找 it's to search something. 到 represent it's modify any verb and create its result with positive results. So, for example, 找到 it's to find. It's just search, but 找到 it's found. But 找不到 it's I search, but I cannot find. So didn't find. 找到了 found it. 找到了 So I search with a positive result. So I found it. 找到了它在桌子下面。它在桌子 it was under the table. 桌子 it's a table 下面 under the Great. 太好了 Too good or very good or great. 太好了 Next one, dialogue number 3, visiting a friend's house. Your house is so beautiful. 你家真漂亮。你家 your home 真 really 漂亮 nice, beautiful, so beautiful 真漂亮。Thank you. Please sit on the chair. 谢谢。请坐在这把椅子上。请请 please 坐 to sit somewhere. And to sit where? 在这on this 这 把 it's measure word for chair. 把椅子上 on top of this chair. So 请坐在这把椅子上。But I think usually just say 请坐 please sit. Maybe you want to specify which chair. But generally 请坐 This little dog is so cute. 这只小狗真可爱。这只小狗 here is emphasizing for 小 because 这 already for small dogs. 这只小狗真可爱 really cute. 真可爱 is cute. Yes, it's very small but very smart. 是的 yes. 它很小 is very small 很小。done however 很聪明 is very smart 聪明。Is your son at home? 你儿子在家吗？你儿子 your son 在家吗？ Is your son at home? 你儿子在家吗？ So your son at home? Yes, he's in his room. 在 it could be 是的 it could be 在 because in question it's 你儿子在家在 also where we can say 在 like 在 so it could be not yes there is or he is at home 在 at the spot you can say 在他在房间里他在 he at 房间 it's room 房间里 inside of something. So 房 it's represent a apartment. 间 represent to divide something. So you can say in apartment we have divided places, so it's a room. 房间里 inside. Next one, at the hospital. Does your dad work at the hospital? 你爸爸在医院工作吗？你爸爸 your father 在医院 at the hospital 工作 working. So and ma for questions. Yes, he's a doctor. 是的，是的，他是医生。是的 yes it is. 他是 she is 医生 a doctor. Where is the hospital? 医院在哪儿？医院 hospital where 在哪儿 at which location 在哪儿？ The hospital is over there, not far from here. 医院在哪儿？在哪儿 there. Hospital there, over there. There is new word 离这儿不远。离 you can say it's from something to something, so distance between two places. But you can say just from there, from here, there, here. 不远 yuan it's distance. It's not distance, it's far away. Yuan it's far. 不远 not far away. So 离这儿不远 from here not too far. Well, not far from here. Is your dad busy with work? 你爸爸工作忙吗？ Your father works 工作忙吗？ Here's busy or works a lot. 忙 it's to be busy or just adjective also could be 忙. Yes, he works late every day. 是的 yes it is. 他每天 every day 工作很晚。He works every day 每天工作 every day works how 很晚 very lately or up to night, so up to late evening you can say very late. Talking about pets, last dialogue for today. Do you have any pets at home? 你家有宠物吗？ It's a pet 宠物。你家有宠物吗？有 it's to have something. Yes, we have a cat. 有，我们有一只猫。So we have a cat. We have one cat. You can say 一只猫。What's its name? What's this cat? What's the name? 它叫什么名字？它叫 it's to call something. 什么 which 名字 name. So 什么名字 Its name is 小白。小白。它叫小白。His name, you could say he's called by the name, or he called 小 small, 白 it's white. So small white, I think cats is white color and very small. 小白。Where does it like to play? 它喜欢在哪儿玩？它喜欢 he likes or it likes 在哪儿 where 玩 it's to play, for example games, or just to have fun or to spend times with pleasure, you can say 玩 It likes to play under the chair. 它喜欢在椅子下面玩。他喜欢 he likes or it likes 在椅子the chair 下面 under the chair玩 play. It could be war, some 二话 war like here nar. It could be also war or one also could be. So it's all for today. In the next lesson we will learn some new words. So keep staying and thanks.